Hi there, and welcome to Investing Guide. Will Cardano go 150 times in 2022? Well, for now, various pieces of information about Cardano ADA have been circulating in the crypto market. If anything, everything we've heard so far has been all shades of satisfying. In fact, co-founder and CEO of Real Vision, Raoul Pal, has joined the very long list of optimists predicting a bright future for the ADA token. Today's video is going to be revealing to you why Cardano ADA is likely to go 150 times and what Raoul Pal had to say about the future of the coin. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell that pops up so you keep up to date on videos like this. For now, let's get on with it. The Real Vision CEO revealed a few months back that he is now an investor in Cardano. In an interview with BitBoy Crypto, Pal explains that the ADA is one of the interesting tokens in the market, and so he sees potential growth opportunities for Cardano. In his words, we've had Charles Hoskinson a few times on Real Vision. I like the project. I think it's very interesting. We really need to see more network adoption. The price is going up. It's doing well. There's a big community behind it, so that gives you one side of the network. We need to see more use cases outside of Ethiopia, and that's being talked about a lot. I own some, and I'm just waiting to see. Is it going to start getting a lot of attraction, people building stuff on it? Raoul Pal also shared his viewpoint on Cardano, with the Alonzo upgrade bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. He said, I know a lot of people are waiting for smart contracts, so maybe it's not the biggest outperformer in this cycle, but if it survives this cycle and continues to get adoption, it'll probably do very well in the next cycle. I own it because there are a lot of investors in it, and if the ecosystem builds out, it's going to do incredibly well. Before we continue, it'd be nice to do a bit of a throwback. Prior to founding Global Macro Investor, GMI, back in 2005, Raoul Pal co-managed the GLG Global Macro Fund for a global asset management firm in London, which is now called Man GLG. Raoul Pal is bearish on fiat currencies, especially the US dollar, because according to him, they are constantly depreciating against assets like real estate, stocks, and crypto. Although some are of the opinion that there's going to be an everything bubble phase, Raoul Pal believes that there's every reason to remain bullish on stocks and crypto. Likewise, he revealed that he has invested 100% of his liquid net worth asset in crypto because he believes that cryptocurrency comes with the greatest upside potential. This will put into perspective why Real Vision CEO Raoul Pal is so bullish on Cardano. Moving on, the Cardano blockchain as a whole provided a wide range of benefits to all users throughout 2021. IOHK and the Cardano Foundation kept all their development promises for the blockchain, and each one of them met the expectations of users and enthusiasts. Although, like many other tokens, the ADA experienced ups and downs. This didn't prevent it from rising 628% in a single year. Despite ADA's huge price drop on the market chart, many still believe that it's not over yet for Cardano. In fact, with its smart contract functionality consistently performing and many projects on the way, investors and analysts like Raoul Pal remain excited about what's to come. In December last year, the ADA reached 1 million wallets staking on its network. Raoul Pal explains that this is happening because Cardano is experiencing growth in the crypto space. In fact, according to CoinMarketCap, the ADA at the time had grown so fast to become the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. In addition, crypto investor Jesse Blount took to Twitter to congratulate Charles Hoskinson, the CEO of Cardano, for reaching this new milestone. On the other hand, despite the fact that the ADA lost about 30% of its previous standing at the time, Lucas Moore revealed some opportunities that will introduce themselves in the ADA blockchain in 2022. According to Lucas, Cardano will be massive in 2022, and interestingly, Raoul Pal seems to share the same opinion. But there's more. In surveying the many currencies in the crypto space, crypto analysis were of the opinion that the Cardano community will allow for projects on the network to expand without any problems whatsoever. Unlike Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, where users complain of huge fees and centralization problems respectively, Cardano has seemingly fixed both issues with its well-developed programming language. Cardano uses Haskell for its development language, and interestingly, it is not something that is commonly found in the crypto world. Haskell is a more robust and precise language, and so this might ensure that Cardano is a lot safer compared to other blockchains. With the rising trend of some accounts getting emptied and projects getting hacked in the DeFi world, the Cardano blockchain had to go the extra mile by incorporating a more advanced programming language. But we haven't even gotten to the best part yet. Some months back, Cardano's parent company IOHK announced its collaboration with Nervos, China's leading public blockchain. According to IOHK, it's working on a bridge between the two blockchains that would allow users to transact interchangeably with Nervos, CKB, and Cardano ADA native currencies. The bridge will reduce the cost of transactions between the two blockchains, and it will allow for the creation of its own tokens on both blockchains, and it will then get rid of inefficiencies, complexity, potential bugs, and unnecessary costs. This bridge will be the first cross-chain bridge on the ADA blockchain, and it will pave the way for the developers on both chains to get access to services and functionality that will expand their dApps. In addition, Meld announced in September 2021 plans to launch a gold-backed stablecoin on the Cardano network as a part of its plans to democratize access to cryptocurrency. CEO of Meld, Ken Ulling, announced a three-way partnership with African agri-fintech, Tingo International Holdings, and Ubuntu Tribe, an ethical firm that tokenizes natural resources, according to Citiam.com. He said, "Our goal here is simplicity and clarity. Gold will be stored in a vault, tokenized, and then fractionalized out and divided so that we can sell it." Another reason why ADA's price is likely to go 150 times is that the blockchain offers the best solution for project creators. Starting with dApps and games to a lot of other applications, the Cardano blockchain has designed the best platform for every one of them on its blockchain. After Cardano launched its smart contract capabilities in September, more than 100 smart contracts appeared on the blockchain in less than 24 hours. According to the Vericel app, more than 900 smart contracts were listed on the Cardano blockchain in just one day. As a result of these wild numbers, Cardano's real-world users are multiplying by the day. For instance, anyone can decide to store academic credentials and whatnot on the blockchain. And likewise, in agriculture, users can track products from farms to tables using the blockchain. As the use cases for the blockchain continue to spread across wider and wider sectors, the amount of ADA in circulation will rise, and soon enough, the price will follow. But it doesn't end there. About 3 months ago, Cardano formed a partnership with Oasis Pro to develop an alternative trading system that will make use of the blockchain technology to introduce partnerships in primary bond markets to developing countries. IOHK and Oasis Pro both signed a contract together which would help to create bond insurance as a platform. Oasis Pro intends to use the Cardano blockchain to remove the need for intermediaries like banks from the process and likely cut down on trading fees. That could happen by half if this happens. Oasis Pro plans to offer its Oats Pro next generation technology, which facilitates digital cash for digital securities transactions, while Cardano will furnish the industry-leading and eco-friendly blockchain protocol with the aim of providing a viable and secure financing system, which is an alternative for governments and developing nations. According to Cardano Feed, many governments are struggling to access capital due to recent reductions in foreign aid and investment. And so, by integrating Oats Pro technology with users of Cardano's ADA cryptocurrency with a market cap of $70 billion, a new source of foreign investment can be tapped for major infrastructure projects. Cardano is also working on a number of projects on its blockchain, and this might mean that it has the most potential as far as other cryptocurrencies are concerned. For example, creating a decentralized exchange on the ADA blockchain is often heard of, and there have been several projects claiming to do this, but one does it better: Sundae Swap. Sundae Swap is a decentralized exchange that's taking a food naming approach, and although many people might not think of this approach, it has proven to be quite popular with people for branding purposes. Sundae Swap's got an impressive design and a mighty staking pool. They give out a good number of their tokens to anyone who stakes the ADA token. And compared to other projects, Sundae Swap allegedly has the utmost security, taking into consideration that a user's ADA will be stored away from them, leaving only their rewards at risk. With everything we've discussed, it is clear now why Raoul Pal and many other investors are optimistic about the future of the ADA token and its potential to hit 150 times. If everything goes as planned for Cardano, we can expect a huge jump in price by the time the bull market comes around. What do you think? Do you think he's correct? Can ADA hit that mark? Let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. While you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there!